there, Sheriff.
Dangerous up ahead! Oh, there we go. We're slowing down good. Oh, Lord! We stopped it just in time. Oh, my.
What tarnation are you two no-good, low-down, law-breaking, feet-bitten butts think you're doing stopping the train?
Well, Marshal, we was stopping the train because the bridge up ahead has been blown up.
Yeah, that's right. What do you mean the bridge up ahead's been blown up? What kind of stupid idiot fool would do a thing like that?
I don't rightly know, Marshal White. All I knowed was we was taste testing our latest batch corn shine. We heard this big boom.
Big boom?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, big boom, big like, wow, yeah, pow,
like that.
pew, 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 pew.
Maybe not like that.
Now!
Well,
That's what I heard.
I'm gonna go up ahead, folks, and see what the trouble is. You two idiots stay putting away from my train. Away from my train, I say. You keep an eye on it, folks. Yeah, let's see what the trouble is. I'll be right back. I cannot believe it. Our plan worked.
Yeah, our plans never work. But your ideas are always the ones that get us in trouble, in jail, hurt, or even yelled at by Mama.
Now that's crossing the line.
Bubba, your ideas are the worst.
What? Oh, shut up.
All right, folks, this here is a stick-up.
So it is. It's a stick, and it's out. They don't like that
Yeah,
stuff.
pretty much, you got it, you
See
got
that?
it.
Oh, there we go, right there.
Yeah, no more laughing. We are the Fame.
In small towns,
Fortune.
but not.
One and only.
There are two of us.
Wilburn Brothers.
That's right. Wilbur Brothers. And we're here for your gold.
Yes, sirree, yes we are. And if you think you are getting away, or you try to fight back, we will blow up this big old stick of DNA.
That's DNA. Don't you mean TNT?
Yeah, ATM. Oh, what?
Never mind. Stop abbreviating and let's get to robbing. You go on down that way. I'm going to go back this way.
All righty, let's see it here.
Oh, it's
you look like you got
train
some
on there. I just
Come
love
on,
this.
come on, you got it,
I know it's payday for someone this week.
Anyone,
Let's
that
see.
looks real
What
nice
else do we
and
have?
shiny.
Oh, the first fanny pack of the day. We have a winner.
Any gummy bears?
Oh, he doesn't like that I called that out.
Take that and
All
put it
right, there we go. What do we have in it?
Dinner yet.
Is there a camera in there? Do we have anybody? All right, go on.
Come on.
What's the resale value?
Hey, you got any money, honey?
Let's see.
No? This little lady here, she ain't got no money or nothing, but darn if she is the prettiest thing I've seen all day.
Oh, that's what you said about the waffles Mama made for breakfast this morning.
Well, yeah, I know, but this is true love, I just know.
Now, I am pretty sure you said that same exact thing just 20 minutes to that lady on the train just before here.
I didn't know.
Hey, who knows? Maybe this one's the one.
Oh, Bubba, she is. Mama will love her. Her name is, oh, man, what is it? It's, what's your name? What? Miley.
Miley?
Yeah.
Well, let me come at you like a wrecking ball. Here we go. Come on. Let's see here. Oh, my goodness.
Oh, yeah, she can't stop. She won't stop. Wait. What do you think you're doing? She's mine.
I'm pretty pretty sure she thinks I'm more handsomer than you.
Ooh, yeah, and I'm sure she's real impressed with your grammar.
Oh, now look, I can talk you through the woods and back. I know, we'll arm wrestle for it. Come on.
Oh, okay. Arm wrestle.
Yeah.
You sure about this, brother?
Yes.
You know this never works for you,
Well,
but
this time's gonna do it.
let's go.
All right. Really? Every time? Anyone want to tag in?
It's my preparation.
No. All right, here we go.
No! Get it! Go!
Sleeping lizards!
I thought I told you two to stay away from the train.
We are!
Well, that's the same bridge we just crossed.
Oh, so
There's
it is.
nothing wrong with it. Folks, these two try to take anything from you?
No!
I've had it up to here with you boys.
Up to where?
Now, look, you think you can just come in here and be the law?
Yes, it's my job. I got a shiny star bag.
Oh, a shiny
Marshall, I got a shiny thing on my clothes. Well, Marshall, I hate to tell you, but these folks here, they like us better, don't y'all?
That's right. I think we're prettier and nicer, and my future wife's sitting right there.
Well, no, none of my future wife.
Hey, in their right mind would marry neither one of you. Now, either give back all the things you took, or I'm gonna have to arrest you.
Oh,
that doesn't work.
oh well, actually, Marshall, our plan was to take all their money and use this big old stick of HDTV,
TNT.
LOL,
TNT.
OMG,
TNT.
Trinitro-toluene.
T it.
What? Yeah, TNT. And blow this whole place to smithereens.
Yeah, what he said.
Or I could just push down this and blow you both to spits.
Oh, no,
I don't want to hear that. You keep it. Go put that in there. Now look, I'm done playing around. I'm gonna shoot someone, and I don't plan on making myself an only child.
Well, fine.
Oh. 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 Oh, goodness. Oh.
You get back in there.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah. I don't want to see you again. Meantime, you're pulling the money, folks. I'm sure we don't see those two more days. I guess we'll complete our journey round old Old Fun and get all these live back to the station. Let's just wait so long for this wheelbarrow goes.
I'll get you next time around, Marshall. And Miley, you be sure to be on that next train day here.
All right, thank you, Marshall. Everybody give Marshall a hand. He saved us again. We'll
Was
go
that for
Wilbur
us?
Brothers.
Yeah,
No.
keep it up. Yeah, or not.
Little do they know the goal's on the next train.